Good morning, friends. Today I am cooking halaya. I prepared already everything. I have here 2 cans of coconut. I put butter and I put condensed milk and what else? Putting condensed milk. I have already put one there, and I'll see if it will be sweet. I have tried to be live, but it seems I'm not yet familiar with it. Okay. So, this is the grated, fresh ubi, purple yam. I put 2 cans because if I'm doing 1 packet of this is 1 coconut cream can and 1 condensed milk can. But oh my god! But because I will be mixing sweet potato, so I will. This one, I mask this. So I will be making like 2 portions. Where's my thing? Because I have this and I do not know how to, they will go off again with this. That's why I remember I have ubi in the freezer. Okay. I don't know what will be the color later. It's a nice combination color. It's early here, and it's it's cold now. I just picked my cherry tomatoes. Oh, there's a lot there's a lot of coconut cream. So that means I will stir for a long time. Because you cook this until it's a bit dry. Wow, the color, look at the color, so nice. Okay. I prefer, when I make halaya, I prefer the grated one than the powder because it will take lesser time to stir. So with this, 2 cans of coconut cream, a slice of butter, and 1.5 condensed milk. Let's see if it's sweet enough, and then we will add more. And combination of halea, OB, and sweet potato. Okay, that's it. We'll try. Oh, the color is nice. It's not OB anymore. And I pick also my papaya, because I will be making achara, pickled papaya. And I pick also my tomatoes. There's a lot, cherry tomatoes. There's more there. This one is only one plant. It's too much. I've been the whole summer and spring. Yeah, I think summer, spring, and now I still picking a lot of cherry tomatoes. It will take time. Okay, while making this, I will make my papaya pickles. I'll peel off. I'll peel my papaya. It will be my first time. I have been my papaya for how many years, but I never tried to make pickles, because it's too much. It's too much job, like grating it, and it's too much. But this time I will try. Okay, but I think I cannot grate it, because you need to stir this. There's so much in my garden. It's very wild. There's a lot of pumpkin, there's a lot of parda, there's a lot of kamote, there's a lot of cassava. Oh my God. Okay, so I will try to peel off this. Oh, I'm putting a bit of salt. Magluluto ka ba?
Mamaya pa po, tita.
Oo.
Magluluto ko.
Okay. I think I will end up here because it will take time to cook this one. Okay, and I will be peeling off my my papaya to make papaya pickles, chara. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe and see you next time again. Bye. Ubi and mixture of ubi and sweet potato, alayaw, whatever. that's why I want I don't like cooking, baking, because baking is the exact measurement. Well, if not you can mix whatever you want, and there's no measurement. That's the beauty. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe and see you next time again. Bye.